It is not recommended to connect a 50 amp electrical outlet to a cord and plug for outdoor installation due to several key safety and code considerations. Firstly, a 50 amp electrical current presents a significant safety hazard. Improperly made connections can easily lead to electrical fires or shocks. The risk is amplified in outdoor settings where environmental factors can further compromise the integrity of the electrical system. Secondly, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, plays a crucial role in dictating safe electrical practices. The NEC generally prohibits the use of cords and plugs for permanent outdoor wiring. Moreover, the code restricts the use of cords and plugs for loads exceeding 15 amps. A 50 amp circuit far exceeds this limit, making a cord and plug connection a direct violation of the NEC standards. Thirdly, wire gauge and ampacity limitations come into play. The wire gauge typically used in cords and plugs is often insufficient to safely handle the high amperage of a 50 amp circuit. Attempting to draw 50 amps through an undersized wire can lead to overheating. Overheating can degrade the insulation, cause conductors to melt, and ultimately create a fire hazard. It is essential that the wiring is appropriately sized to handle the intended current load, as specified by the NEC ampacity tables. Fourthly, the exposure to moisture and corrosion poses a serious threat in outdoor environments. Outdoor electrical connections are continuously subjected to moisture, rain, snow, and other environmental elements. These elements can accelerate corrosion of the electrical contacts and conductors. Corrosion weakens the connection, increases resistance, and can lead to electrical failures, short circuits, and potential safety hazards. For proper and safe outdoor installations, a 50 amp electrical outlet should be connected using a hard-wired junction box. This method provides a secure and weatherproof connection that meets the requirements of the NEC. The junction box should be specifically designed for outdoor use and must be weatherproof to protect the electrical connections from moisture and environmental damage. The electrical wiring used to connect the outlet to the junction box must be properly sized to handle the 50 amp current. Consult the NEC ampacity tables to determine the appropriate wire gauge for the specific installation conditions, including the length of the wire run and the ambient temperature. Ensure that all wiring connections are made securely and are properly insulated to prevent short circuits and electrical shocks. Use appropriate connectors and fittings that are designed for outdoor use and are compatible with the type and size of wiring being used. In addition, proper grounding is essential for outdoor electrical installations. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping the circuit breaker and preventing electrical shocks. Ensure that the junction box and the electrical outlet are properly grounded according to the NEC requirement. Finally, it is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work, especially for high amperage circuits and outdoor installations. A licensed electrician has the knowledge, skills, and experience to ensure that the electrical installation is safe, code compliant, and performs reliably. They can assess the specific site conditions, determine the appropriate wiring and components, and perform the installation in accordance with the NEC and local electrical codes.